The previous video, we created a database without coding. In this video, we will create a database using Sequealize. Welcome to Opstaan. First, I will show that there are no tables available in the database. Then we will proceed to the code. Open the terminal and type npm init. We need to add some packages. Type the following commands: npm install express, npm install pg, npm install sequelize. These commands will download the necessary packages and create the node modules directory. Now we can start coding. Create a file named app.js where we will set up the basic configuration to run our project. I will set the port to 5850 because I have different projects running on a different ports. Next, create a folder named config and add a file database.js. This file will help configure our database. I will provide some details about the project. This type of code is called ORM, Object Relational Mapping in Node.js. Here the first field is you want to fill your database name, and next your username, and finally password. Now add another folder named models and create a file user.js. This file will define your table and its column. We will use the data types method from the Sequealize package. Import the config file too. In user.js, I define a table named user and add some columns with data types. The first column is first name with a data type of string and allow a null set to false, meaning it will not accept any empty string. Similarly, I create a last name column with allow null as false. Finally, I create an email with allow null as false and an additional condition that it must be unique for every user. Then I import this model to app.js. In app.js, I synchronize my database and push the code to create a user table. I set force to true to ensure the table is created with all specified columns. For running this project, I create one method. If you want to get the user details, you may add a form in this route. But here I am just demonstrating how it's working. If you want to know how to get the user details, watch our previous video. Copy paste and the relevant code into this function. Now the project is ready. Let's see the input. See guys, our code is running successfully. Now go to Chrome and check the result. Oops, the port was not working. Wait, let me check. Oof, sorry, I entered the wrong port. Now see, it's running successfully. Finally, check our database, go to pg admin and refresh the database. See guys, the user table was created successfully with the 2 additional columns that help track the user. That's all guys. Stay tuned and thank you.